there's just no way to explain what it's like to work with somebody like this and how much it can change everything. I felt just drawn.
Mm-hmm.
Like I felt like a pull, just like a natural pull. Like you see all kinds of advertisements and stuff pop up all the time, and this, it just felt like I I have to do this. Like this is, I have to do this. I don't want to live like this forever. And you felt so safe and non-judgmental, and like I've never had anybody in my life who like understood me, where you could finish my sentences probably. Like you already know like what I'm thinking before I say it, and it's no, there's nobody has ever been like safe like that. And it took me like honestly probably maybe a few sessions where I was like, okay, I can trust her like 100%, because I, even though I felt like, oh, I can, like when you have spent so much time not trusting people, it's very hard to feel like, yeah, she's okay. She's like not gonna, you know, take advantage of me or something like that. In the time that I have spent working with you, I think the biggest changes are across the board. There's like not one that I can pick, because there's so many tiny little things that like all go together. It's like Tetris, like all these little pieces fitting together, and it's just so different than how life was. Like um my anxiety levels are way lower. My nervous system does not think that I'm about to fall out of an airplane every 5 seconds anymore. Um, like I sleep. I don't have like nightmares and just everyday pain, like physical chronic pain that I've had. It's completely different. How I handle like emotional or physical stress, like my body just does not do the same thing it did before. It doesn't think, this is possibly your last 5 seconds of your life. It just feels safer to exist in my body in this life.
Mm.
And I think a lot of people around notice too, because um they're not allowed to use me the way that they did before or talk to me the way that they did before, and some of them are just not here anymore. Right? And it feels really good to um, take care of myself in whatever way I need to, whether it's physically or emotionally or spiritually or energetically. You've given me like a toolbox for the most part. For daily stuff, I think I just pick a tool and go with it. I would say to anybody who's considering working with you and is just, on the fence, whether it's finances or just being scared to like open up and be vulnerable, or to know that you might have to do a little bit of emotional work or something like that. But it's like such a life-changing experience and journey that I wish everybody could do it. And I say that to a lot of people that I know, that working with Devin is this incredible experience. You can work with so many people before and they just don't get it. They just don't get it. And for some reason, this is like, how do I even put it into words? I don't know. It's just magical. It's just this like, it feels unreal almost, because it's, I know people like me have a hard time trusting other people, even themselves. And this is a time that I would say if your gut is saying this might be something you want to do, to do it because you won't regret it. And we're just not meant to live a life suffering and like thinking everything is wrong with us and that we're alone. And I feel like there's just no way to explain what it's like to work with somebody like this and how much it can change everything. It's just amazing and hard and beautiful. And if you're there and you're seeing this, you were pulled like I was somewhere from somewhere. And this is just meant for you. You're just meant to be here. There's no other way to explain it. It's just magic.